we will see about the multigraph. How can we say that my graph is a multigraph? So in our previous session, we saw about the graph, and graph means it's a combination of vectors and edges. Same way, in a multigraph, it's a combination of vectors and edges. But in this case, we have to put an edges in a single vector multiple times. I repeat, in this case, we are putting edges on a single vector multiple times. Let us see an example so that example will be very clear for you. That how can we say that this is my multigraph? So first I draw a graph, that is A, B, C and D. E1, E2, E3, E4. So in this graph, I have 4 vertices A, B, C and D. And in this graph, I have 4 edges E1, E2, E3 and E4 with the same example. If I draw a loop like this, it means what? The edge on a single vertices. The edge on a single vertices in the form of one loop. Or if I draw a one edge like this between 2 vertices C and D, I give one name E5 over here, I give one more name E6 over here. Clear? If I draw one more edges in between these 2 vertices, E7, right? So this is an example of multigraph. I repeat one more time. How can we differentiate between graph and multigraph? So graph is a combination of all the vertices and edges. But in a multigraph, we can construct a more edges on between 2 vertices, or we can construct a loop edges on a single vector. Right? So this is the way we are differentiating between graph and multigraph. Is it okay? Yes. Done.